What is up, guys? This is FNH NRT here with a brand new video to talk about the Blink XT. So, Black Friday sale, obviously, and I had to purchase it. So I was actually in the market looking for different types of home security camera systems, and I did a lot of research and I was able to find this one. One, it was actually on a really good price on sale. I was able to get two for $150. So overall, it was about $75 each. It kept getting cheaper the more you purchase, but I didn't really need that much, so I ended up getting just two. Within the hub that's provided, you can put 10 into it. I believe it says it on the box somewhere as well. But the major reason I got it, I wanted something wireless. I didn't want to deal with all the wires that you see with the DVR systems, and I know the other wireless cameras also have, but then they also kind of need like a DVR hub point and all these different points, and if not, they need a specific type of router that it's like a bunch of crap. I was like, and those wireless cameras aren't necessarily even all wireless as well. They may not work with the DVR, but they still require a few other features and items. So this was the best one. The only thing I'm a little hesitant on is on the quality. I will definitely let you guys know when the quality test, I do that as well. I might make a video on that. But what I saw so far, some people had like good reviews on the quality, because it says 1080p, but sometimes it gets outputted at 720. So that's why I was a tad bit hesitant on the quality. But just to show you, as you can see, the simple installation, no contracts. It's free cloud storage. It's straight up on your phone. Again, these are all the features I wanted, and I was like, all right, this is definitely being provided to me. So why the hell not? So, just to show you a few other features, 2-year battery life. This was one of the best ones. The camera runs on batteries, but it lasts 2 years. I was like, that's perfect. It's weatherproof, live view. It has a microphone so you can hear as well. Free cloud storage, again, best feature. Easy setup, temperature sensor, infrared, mobile app, HD video alerts, and motion detection. You can see on the back as well, it talks about all the different features. Technology, ultra affordable, 2-year battery life, and obviously instant peace of mind. And you can see the specs here, the type of batteries, what it uses. It says see full color 1080p HD, but I heard people saying that's not true. It's 720 unless you do enhanced view. Again, I'll probably do a video test review to show you as well for the quality, but overall very positive overall. And again, everything will be in the description below for you guys to check out. And this is what's in the box: 2 cameras, 1 sync module, a USB cable power adapter, 4 batteries, 2 mounting kits, and a quick start guide. And you can see the rest over here, all the other information. You just need internet. That's like the only thing they require, because obviously it's wireless. You need the internet. So let me just open it. God damn it. It's not opening. Oh, crap. I have to use my mouth. Oh, crap. Okay. Open. Sorry. Should have opened it before, but it's okay. Okay, it slides open. Alrighty. Oh, nice. They look really good, actually. These are the 2 cameras. It tells you how to use it. Literally, basically install it. Just give you a better focus or view. It's pretty cool. This is the hub, I believe. Yeah, that should be the hub. So you can see here. Some information on the back, probably how to set it up with the app and whatnot. See, it has the camera. The password, sorry, I mean. I don't know if there's something missing here. There's nothing here. Oh, that might be for another camera. Let me see. Yeah, that might be. Oh, this box might be like a 3 box as well. So when I forwarded the 3rd one, it would have been the same box. It would have just said 3, and there would have been 3 cameras here. So let's see. This is camera accessories. Oh, so this is batteries and some wires. This is probably batteries as well. Yep, I am right. This is batteries as well. I mean, I'll open one of them to show you guys. How do you open this? Oh, crap, screw my life. The battery just flew out. There's something else here. Sorry, I just hit this camera. I'm trying to open it. I don't know if I should break it open. I guess I have to, because it's not opening. Okay, so I'm assuming this is the mount for the camera that's coming up here. So I'm assuming this is the manual guide, what to do, technical support, some stickers if you want to put it on your window, car, whatever, I don't know, wherever you feel like putting it. So let's see what this is. It says batteries under tray. I don't know what that means. They already gave me the batteries. So let's see. So they gave this wire. I'm assuming this is for the hub. And some weird, oh, this is just to turn it on. So, oh, that's basically it. You can see this is the whole feature for the Blink camera. So again, overall, the price is extremely efficient. I liked it for the price. Extremely simple to set up. You literally just go mount it outside. I had two was perfect, one for the front door and one for like the street view. To me, that's more than efficient enough for what I need. If I need to put more like in the backyard or the side view, I can literally be like, all right, you know what? I want more now. I'll order two more. Boom, set it up. And I can link it to this one and the app already. So that's it. I can have it set up. So you can do 10 with the hub, which again makes it one of the best features of this specific device. So overall, it's a very nice feature, man. I'm actually very happy that I ordered this. Again, I will definitely try to do a test review for you guys to see how the quality is overall. But very good price. I don't know if you'll get the sale price. I hope you will. I think I got it for Cyber Monday, not Black Friday. Did I get it? I don't remember. I ordered it. I saw it. I was like, I have to get it. So I got this for you guys in there. You can obviously check it out. And everything, all the links will be in the description below for you guys to see. And go from there. So yeah, overall, I hope you liked this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, let me know in the comment section below. And FNH out. Peace.